Hey guys, Ryan Dement. I hope you're having a great day. Housing market news. I know I teased the other day about 13 million people in danger of foreclosure or eviction. So I want to share that and get going. But here's the thing is 13 million is 13 million individuals. Then you have to break it down to the household. So I slightly misled you, not trying to be uncool, but I'm just being upfront with you guys. So let's get to it. So, what this actually is the household pulse survey that's been put out by the Census Bureau. It's a questionnaire that they send out to households. It looks like 252 million households that are out there, ages 18 and above, that or sorry, individuals, because that's how many population, hello, that are 18 and above, and they ask them specific questions. I don't have the specific questions here on this, but I wanted to show you guys that some of these, sorry, caught up there. So in the United States, it's week 45, and week 45 is through May 9th. So I know we're a little behind. So that's the latest they have. So I have to go with it. 252 million people polled, 13 million people answered, or 13 million individuals answered, yes, I'm in danger of eviction or foreclosure. Of that, that's 5.2 million households, and that breaks out to 38%. So that right there is a huge number, guys. That's a lot of people, but I want to show you guys something here. Let's see if this will give it to me. It won't give me the description. I was trying to get you guys the description to know exactly what I'm talking about, but it's not. There we go. Adults in households not current on rent or mortgage where eviction or foreclosure in the next 2 months is either very likely or somewhat likely. So pretty damn close. So 5.2 million households, 13.6 million individuals are in jeopardy of losing their housing. Here's the other thing I wanted to show you guys. Unable to pay an energy bill. 193 million individuals, 39.6 households, 39.6 million households are in jeopardy of not being able to pay their utility or their energy bills. Let's see if I can get it to adults in households that were unable to pay the energy bill in full in the last 12 months. So they're at least 30 days behind, is what it's saying. These are quite a big numbers, guys, and I just for me, I can't believe it, 1, and 2, do we believe the data? I know it's all self-reported, and I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just saying it's self-reported, and we can take it for what it is, face value, but at the end of the day, that's a lot of people in jeopardy, and it's a lot of people that need help, and when I say need help, gotta work on their financial matters. They gotta work on their money management. I mean, there's a lot of things going on that we can do as individuals, and that's why I wanted to bring this up because we can. But this is the other piece that I wanted to show you guys that I thought was interesting that I haven't seen a soul talking about it. So let's get right to it. This is the Fred database. This is the economic database from the St. Louis Fed that puts out all the data points for everything going on in the United States. Average sales price for a new house sold in the United States through the month of May, $511,000. I've never heard that statistic, and maybe I've been off, but I have not heard that, and I can't believe that it's gone that high. Look at this. It peaked in April at 569,000. Let's call it $570,000. So almost $600,000 for you to buy a new home. It drops in May to 511. So $60,000. But look where we were 2000, so the end of 2008 downturn, 263,000. Goes to the lowest point here, January 2009 at 245,000, unless this is not. Nope. So 249, or sorry, 245, 200 is the lowest point we have for new home sales in the United States, and that was at the last downturn. And guys, these are the things that I just wanted to share with you guys, but this is what I want to tell you guys. People are saying that we're going to have a downturn and it's going to be like 2008. Let me tell you guys, it's not going to be like 2008 because those were lending issues. Those were different days. Are we going to have a correction? Yes. Can anybody tell you how much that correction is going to be? No, not with certainty. Are the hotter markets like Las Vegas, Phoenix, Austin, Miami, um, Los Angeles all going to have double digit corrections? Yes. But I think what's going to happen is because the market is already starting to cool, you're going to start seeing home prices come back down. But I don't know if we're going to hit that average, to where an existing home sale drops below 300,000. I don't think we're going that far. I really don't. Fundamentals are in place. The lending is in the backstops are there. I think at this point, it's just now going to be cooling because interest rates have gone so high. You still have existing home sales and also new homes sitting on the market, and those are all going to be price reduced over time. Even though some of the gurus out there that you hear about are saying, "Oh no, there's not going to be any better time to buy than now." They're stupid. They're really stupid, and I say that because they clearly don't understand the national market, nor do they wanna hear what's going on behind the numbers because they too, unfortunately, are realtors, and realtors are only making money when they are selling houses, so they've gotta sell houses. Doesn't make them bad, you just have to be able to take the information and move it in together. Not saying everything I'm providing you is gonna be whirlwind and gonna change your life. I'm just giving you the facts based upon data. Now, some gurus out there, we won't mention those names. They talk about all these things that are going to happen, and then they just stop and don't give you any data or understand what's going to go on. They just say this is what's going to happen. That's it. I'm giving you guys facts and data, and I'm going to continue to give you facts and data. When that X hits, like I tell you guys, that's when you start buying and that's when you start finding deals. And again, these gurus tell you they're not going to be any deals. You need to go buy now or you're going to miss out. It's a bunch of crap because the market is going to correct. When it corrects and it starts making dollars and cents for you, that's when you go out and buy a house. But it has to make sense for you. Don't let my voice or any other guru tell you what's going on. Take the facts, get the information, make a decision. Just make sure it doesn't make you house poor and broke. That's it. Make sound financial decisions based upon what you hear, what you read, and what you ingest, and you can do the dollars and cents on your own. That's it for today, guys. I just wanted to get that out there. I hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe, stay healthy.